A very good morning, my dear kids. Yes, start your day with a big smile. Everyone should start their day with a big smile. So, can I get a big smile from you all? Thank you, that's better. So, today is your English class. Let's see what do we have today. We have the OB words. We have the OB sound words. Yes, we'll be learning the words that end with ob, that end with op sound. The phonic sound of O is O and the phonic sound of B is B. So, together we'll pronounce it as ob. Ob. Okay. So, let's see which is the first word. Okay, this is C-O-B. K-O-B. K-O-B. What is cob? What is cob, children? Yes, this is cob. This is cob, the corn. Yes? So this is K-O-B, cob. K-O-B, cob. Ma'am loves to eat the cob. Okay, the second word we have is J-O-B. J-O-B. Together, job. Job. Okay, what is job? What is job? Your job is to study right now. काम, आपका काम क्या है? Your job is to study. My job is to teach you. See, we have different jobs. Somebody is, the doctor. Somebody is the photographer. Like the nurse, the plumber, the singer, the chef. Okay, so everyone has their own job, right? आपका अभी काम क्या है? Your job is to study really well. My job is to make you study, right? Okay, so the next word is sob. Okay, S-O-B, sob. S-O-B, together, sob. Sob. What is sob? Oh, the girl is sobbing. The girl is crying. Okay, sob means crying. Crying. Okay, don't sob. Don't sob. She's sobbing. She's crying. Okay. The next word is R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. Okay, what is rob? Oh my God, he's a robber. He's stealing something. Rob is to steal something, right? So this man is a robber. He's a robber. Okay. The next word is M-O-B, mob. M-O-B, mob. M-O-B, mob. What is mob? What is mob? Okay, the crowd. The crowd. When there are more than 2 or 3 friends, it's a mob. It's a mob. Okay. जब बेटा 2 या 3 से ज़्यादा जने हों, okay, when you party around, so it's a kind of a mob. आपकी एज के लिए you understand this only, that more than 2 or 3 people, they are called mob. Mob. Okay. So let's revise all the words once. The OB words. The first word is R-O-B, rob. Children, please repeat after me. The second one, M-O-B, mob. S-O-B, sob. J-O-B, job. K-O-B, cob. Okay, so today we have learned the OB words. So, this is the page number 2 of your JJ2. Okay, see this picture. See this page. Okay, you will write all these words very neatly, thrice. Okay, now look at the sentences. The dash is shouting. What is this? When there are more than 2 or 3 people, it's called mob. So you in the first blank you will write M-O-B, mob. The mob is shouting. Tell your mom and dad to help you out with these sentences. Alright. So The second sentence says eat a dash. Which is this picture? Beta, you can recognize, you can write the words recognizing the pictures, by recognizing the pictures. So what is this? See above? It's a cob. It's a cob. So in the second blank we'll write C-O-B. Cob. Cob. Okay. And what is this? The last sentence. Do not rob. Do not rob. See, he's a robber. He's robbing. He's stealing. Right? Do not rob. 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 Children, have you enjoyed today's class? I hope you did. Okay, take care. Stay blessed. Bye.